What do I gotta do to prove my love to you? To show you how much I care. You push me away and you fuel me less. Then you ask me, can I stay? Cause we can't get enough of this crazy.
Hey Square Bears, what's up? It's your girl Chris and welcome to Beauty MC Squared. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about my luscious locks that I am rocking, you guys. Yes, I'm back to my dark hair. I'm sorry, I'm a dark hair girl at heart. I absolutely love dark hair, but don't worry you guys, if you are fiending for some color in my hair, I'm going to try some cool things out with some color very soon. But at heart, I don't know, dark hair is just, it just suits me, okay? We're not gonna get into that. What we're gonna get into is my review of this product, this hair, this majesty, this gorgeousness, this lusciousness, something that I have been bragging about, something that I just could not contain myself on talking about. And it is my beautiful Indian wavy hair from Indian Hair Company. Now, if you guys are familiar with Indian Hair Company, then you probably already know that they are an online hair site that specializes in providing quality virgin Indian hair. A little bit more information about the company will be over here, so keep your eyes peeled throughout this quick review. So I'm doing this review a little bit sooner than I anticipated because I have had such a fantastic experience with this company so far in the hair. This hair is absolutely luscious, lovely, gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I have no complaints about this hair. I received this hair a little over a week ago. My experience thus far with Indian Hair Company really superseded my expectations of really getting quality virgin hair. From the delivery of the package to the package itself, the branding, the information that Indian Hair Company has on the site, the information and feedback that they have from reviews, I mean, to the actual quality of the hair, okay? They have their I's dotted and their T's crossed, like all across the board in my opinion. Extremely professional, extremely informative, quality product. When I received, let me just get into the hair itself, okay? Because like I said, I'm gonna have all the information over here. When I got the hair out of the package, okay, you guys, I looked at it, it looked fantastic. I shook it, it moved fantastically. I ran my fingers through it. It felt like heaven. But let me tell you, amongst all of those fantastic things that Indian Hair Company provides with their hair, the hair smelled like heaven. The hair smelled like somebody's herbal essence commercial. I literally blacked out and imagined that I was in somebody's apple orchard and was running through the breeze, like running into the breeze or something. Like, I just felt like I was literally in heaven. They do wash and condition the hair for you, which is fantastic that the company does that, because typically when you buy hair, especially virgin quality hair, virgin Remy hair, it is suggested that you go ahead and do a co-wash just to make sure that the hair is nice, fresh, and clean. It's virgin hair, it hasn't been processed, so it's a suggested step. The fact that they did it for me and did such a fantastic job, I was just overwhelmed with just joy at the great job that they've done with that. The tracks were extremely wide for the hair to be as long as it is, and that is fantastic. Like, I measured it. All three of my bundles measured a little bit over 6.5, 7 feet wide, okay? And the density, on top of that, the density of the actual wefts, the hair on the wefts, were consistent and full. So the hair was like full, thick, dense, and you got tons and tons of hair to work with. Was I acting real greedy and did I use every last stitch into my hair? Yes, ma'am, I did use every last penny and molecule into my hair. I just used it all up. I could have had some extra, but I was being greedy once again. I just wanted all of this lusciousness in my head, and I did just that. As far as the installation process, I did a quick weave U-part installation, which is pretty much me installing the hair via hair bond glue onto a dome cap, and I cut out a U-part top so that I have a small amount of my leave out, and to cover the tracks I did an overlaying process. If you want more information about that process, I definitely have a video showing you how I did that, and that's what I'm rocking. As far as the styling, I did about 3 different styling options. One was the natural state, one I ironed out, and lastly I did a curling process on the hair. And I definitely have the video up showing you just that. Yeah, it reacted fine with products and styling. I didn't have any problems. Shedding and tangling. I have tons and tons of length on this hair, okay? I received the amount of tangling that is expected for any textured hair. It was just the bomb. Like, this hair is the bomb. I don't have to say this 50 times. This hair is the bomb. This hair is just absolutely amazing. I love this hair. I've only had this hair for over a week now, and I absolutely love this hair. I absolutely love this hair. As far as my maintenance and favorite products to use on this hair, I'll go ahead and list it at the end of this video, as well as the information bar below. But I would suggest, just like the company would suggest, to keep very minimal products out of your hair, because the hair is a high superior quality of hair, so you don't need to load it with tons and tons of products. And that's just about it, you guys. I don't have any more to really say about this hair. I highly recommend it for the quality of the hair and everything that you get with it, and the type of company that Indian Hair Company is. I think that they are priced right on point. This is, you know, this is quality hair, so you get what you pay for. Absolutely. Customer service is right on point. So definitely check out Indian Hair Company. Check out the other reviews on Indian Hair Company here on YouTube, as well as what they have linked up on their sites. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you want to see a tutorial for this look, it's already up, so go ahead and click this box up here or the link provided below in the description box. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Square Bears.
We're headed for the ground.